Alright, everyone. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install your tracking code. It's simple and easy. So first things first, you have to be registered and logged in. So if you're on the article, we have the link for you to sign in. You also have the option to register. From there, once you're signed in, you'll be on the main dashboard, and here's where you get your analytics. You get the page views, the sessions, amount of visitors, and also the time span. It's all, well, you have options to select either for one day, like for today, or for yesterday, 7 days, etc. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a tracking code and install it. So on the left hand side of the menu right here, there is an icon of the servers. If you hover over it, it shows websites, so you click on that. So now we're here on this page, and if you already created some websites, it will show up here. And here you get all the overview of the features and functionalities. But if you have not created a website, then it's all blank. So in order to create a tracking code, on the top right there's a button called Add Website. So let's click on that. Here is where you insert the name of the website. So I'll just do dope link, and here you do the URL. So let's do that. And now if you have a custom domain, it will show up here. So for example, I have a custom domain for each of my sites. But in this video, I'm gonna show you just how to install your tracking code. If you wanna connect your custom domain, that's for another video. Okay, so we have that, and now we offer two types of tracking code: a lightweight and advanced. A lightweight, it does not use any cookies, storage, identifiers, etc. So it complies with GDPR, CCPA, and PCR. But we also offer advanced, and with advanced, we do use storage and unique identifiers. With advanced, you could track visitor events like clicks, submissions, forums, mouse drags. You could also see the recordings of when they visited your page. But the things that they type will be it'll be an asterisk, so you can't see the information that they type. You can only see the behavior because of privacy reasons. So you select the type of tracking that you want. So in this case, I'm gonna just do advanced because that's what I've done with all my other sites. Submit, and now your page will refresh, and the new website will be shown on a list. So in this case, it's at the very bottom. To get the tracking code, there is an icon with a code symbol, and if you hover over, it says tracking code. So let's click on that. So here's the code that you insert right before the end of the head tag of your website. So all you have to do is copy it, and you go to your website. So for example, I've already done it for this, but all you have to do is go to your website and go to the section where you insert JavaScript and all that stuff. So for example, here's where I insert JavaScript, and here's the tracking code. And after you save it, you need to verify it. So let me go here on the right hand side. and there's a button called verify. Click on that, and your page where you've inserted the tracking code, an alert box should show up after you've clicked on verify. And that's all you have to do to install your tracking code. And if for some reason it does not work by clicking the verify button, you'll have to do it via the URL bar. So for example, let's go scroll all the way down of the article. I've pasted the link, the URL that you could copy and paste and put in your website and your tracking code. So for example, let me exit out this. Let me paste it. So the link that I inserted the tracking code is this. It's specific. So yeah, and then here you go back to your tracking code. So for example, tracking code, and then you copy the ID that's at the end of the URL. So copy that, and then you insert it, you paste it here. So then you click on submit, and it's verified. So you could do it the manual way or the automatic way. And yeah, that's all you have to do to install and verify your tracking code. If you have any questions, you could submit a message via the chat widget that's on the bottom right, or you can send an email at analytics@dope.link, and I'll make sure to reply to you.